The bearish divergence on the 1 hourly chart for Bitcoin was playing out exactly as I had predicted it yesterday, and Bitcoin is now on the way up again. So let us talk about this today. So hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and as usual guys, let's jump here straight in the charts. So here you remember yesterday, I had actually told you that here was a bearish divergence forming on the 1 hourly chart. So and we can clearly see here, so let me make this here in a different color quick for you guys. So we can see here clearly afterwards that this was playing out with that breakdown that we had here. So, but let's just go quick to the clip from yesterday where I was talking about it and what I expected for a target where we might go here. I think this is not sustainable and we will see here a correction. And for that, I have the RSI on here because there is a bearish divergence forming. So every time when the price goes higher and on the divergence we create lower highs here, there, and also there and there, that is a bad sign and means Bitcoin is potentially getting a move to the downside here in the immediate short term. So my downside target would be all the way down here to $43,600 approximately, and then the next one that would be actually $42,000. So there is a big chance that Bitcoin might get a breather here and comes back to 42,000 and then actually continues to go here to the upside. So which is absolutely fine. We don't want to complain. We stay above 40,000. Yeah guys, and there you have it. I called for 43,000. We got really close to 42,830 was actually the lowest that we got. So 43,000 was a great call here. So everybody, congratulations. If you could take advantage of a short trade here based on my call that if we break down from this upwards trending line here, you could have made here a really quick short of potentially 3.2-ish%. So with a 20x leverage that would have resulted in a 64% gain approximately. So but afterwards also what I had mentioned is that once we get down here, I expect that from there we get a bounce and will continue to trade to the upside, and that is exactly what we are seeing right now here in the charts. So, but in the immediate short term, there's obviously some resistance that I want to have a look at. So, and you can see here, I drawn in a new resistance box here. And as you can see right now, there is exactly the level where we are getting rejected on the lower end of that resistance box. So, and let me show you, that resistance box is coming here from all the way back from here, when we were trading in this section and then here and also here. So in the first section you can clearly see that when Bitcoin broke initially into it, it broke again down out of it, then we broke into it and stayed in there. So the bottom of that box became here basically support. Here also with these wicks, support, support. Here on top you can see also wicks that was resistance until we broke it to the upside. And when we came down, we tested the bottom of the box again as support, like clockwork, and came back up again, broke down again, support, then here, support, support, then we broke down, and here support for the final up run. And then later on the way back down, look here on that crazy wick here. So there was so much support in here. And also here again, before we finally had the final breakdown under that box. So this is a really, really crucial support resistance flip box that we have to pay attention to right now. So, and you can see here, so let me zoom in here a little bit again. So that box is going from 46,178 all the way up to 48,958. So that is the box to watch right now. And guys, I can tell you, once we get above that box, there is one final CME gap really close to the $50,000 mark. From memory, I think it's around 52,000. This gap will, with a high certainty, filled once we are above that box, and we will start to potentially see a new all-time high once we are forming a new support above that box here. And that is what I expect in the next coming days, in the next coming week here, definitely to happen, that we will get here once again, break into that resistance box. We will bounce a little bit up and down in it, and then eventually break to the upside above it and continue our way up to the upside. So when we're talking about already about CME, let us also have a look what happened here over the weekend. So we were closing on Friday here at $43,000, $43,090 was where we were closing. So that was here, this candle. So let me mark this out for you. So that was here. So, and then we opened yesterday night here with the big red candle. So, and we opened with that big red candle for a specific reason. So that was the price was between here 44,500, 44,700 in that kind of range. And we came immediately down to fill that gap. So because we had from here to here, we had a CME gap, and immediately we came down to fill it. And then immediately with the next candles, we moved, continued to move to the downside. To the upside, sorry, upside. We want upside. So guys, but what is now with that CME gap all the way down here? Let me tell you guys, I would not disregard the CME gap. In my humble opinion, what I believe is gonna happen here one day in the future is that after we have hit the top here of this run, so this can potentially be even next year, at some point. It doesn't have to be this year. So once we are hitting here, let's say, let it be $100,000. We still have that gap here under us. And mark my words here again, guys. I told it to you yesterday already, that there are some moves that we have to be aware of. One move is that we will, for really, I'm really sure that we will see a new all-time high here in the next coming weeks. And after that, when we hit our final bull cycle top, which should be at $1,000 plus here, $100,000 plus to the upside, there is a high likely chance that we come all the way back here to fill actually this gap. I think this gap was left on purpose there to fill it on the way down once we hit the cycle top. So guys, be cautious there and don't forget about the gap down there. I will leave it here on this chart until the day we fill it. And if this is never, then you can call me a bad analyst that I was calling for it. No, I'm joking, but so then I made here a wrong call, but I really believe that the gap will be filled here all the way. Oh, sorry, it was actually this gap here. So this gap here will get filled here for sure. So I will delete here the other one because we don't need it anymore. Yeah, so but what will be here my next potential trade for Bitcoin? So let me tell you guys, my potential next trade here for Bitcoin will be when we're breaking here into that resistance box and we confirm the bottom as support and bounce here off again. At this specific point here, I will either increase my position of my running trade, or I will open a second trade on a sub account and trade this then to the upside. So, and yeah, so that would be around the $46,400 level where I would open this trade. Once we have confirmed that this is here now, that we are at the bottom of the support of that resistance box and flip it into support, only then I'm gonna open a new trade. And if you want to also take advantage of my trade calls, then you can go here to Bybit and use in the pinned comment below my referral link, and only with my link you can claim a $1,610 bonus. That link is only for my community, so take advantage of it. This bonus will be not for a long time anymore available, so please make sure that you claim your bonus after an initial deposit. So now let's also have a quick look on my running trade. So here on Phemex you can see my trade is right now 19%, 18% in profit, which is around $8,200 or 0.18 Bitcoin. So we here, in really nice profits already. I will not take any profits anytime soon. I will leave this trade open and let it continue to run it to the upside, because I'm trading here with really low leverage, only on 7x, and my liquidation price is at $39,000. So this is $6,666, funny number right now, away from my liquidation price. So it is, in my opinion, quite unlikely that we will get to this level in the immediate short term. So yeah, that's why I'm trade here without a stop loss for now. Guys, thanks for tuning in here again. As usual, I'm really thankful for each one of you that is watching my videos. Please let me know in the comments below if you actually could take advantage of my last trade call and how much you have actually earned on that. I really would like to know. And let me know what you're gonna think. Where is potentially this cycle top? So leave it in the comment below. I wanna enter in discussion with you guys. I wanna spread some love here. Please guys, don't forget, smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell and click notification all. And as usual guys, I see you tomorrow.